How was I broken?
That look in your eyes. You lost your focus.
Where did you find this strength?
Certainly not from your energy, that's for sure.
Next time, I won't hold back.
There won't be a next time, as far as I'm concerned.
I have one question for you. You look for a reason, because you don't want to be swept into a fight. But you're nothing but a puppet that gets swept away, unable to make any decisions on its own. Can you stop me?
You're wrong. You can't put the blame on our shoulders for something our ancestors did eons ago. Humans were the birth of civilization. We've survived through countless wars. We are capable of so much. And I refuse to let you be the end of this planet.
You ignorant traitor.
Stop deluding yourself with what's in the past. Open your eyes and see. I'll continue to take life head on and find my own reason. Goodbye, Sephiroth.